Okay, so for a while now, I was complaining about my DTF sheet. That I don't remember the brand of it. That's the last DTF sheet I had on my channel. I forgot the name of it. It was horrible. I made videos of it, how bad it is. Um, you know what? Let me find the name. It was bad. So I had to buy a new sheet. I didn't even go through all the sheet. I went through about half of it. Sorry, not even half. So let me look. Let me try to find it. Give me a second, please. Yes, found it. So this DTF sheet right here. So this DTF sheet right here, this brand DTF sheet. I didn't like it. It was horrible. Okay, so I had to stop using this. Like not even less than halfway through it. All right. So I had to buy a different DTF sheet. Let me find that one. Here we go. So about this one instead. All right. So about this sheet instead. All right. So about this sheet instead. Okay. And so far it's been all right. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is pricey. Okay. This sheet is, let me hope it focuses right here. It's $99. It was on sale for $78, $79. All right. So it's 80 bucks, but it's almost 100 bucks. All right. But it's on sale for $80. That's what I bought it at. All right. And I'm telling you, I don't think it's worth 100 bucks. My personal opinion. My Welsher still outperforms this sheet at $100. Okay. My Welsher sheets, the ones that I buy all the time. These ones. These Welsher things. Alright. Regularly $67. On sale right now for 50 bucks. Alright. That's the sheet I use, like, constantly. I keep going back to them and I don't. And this is why, because these sheets, here it is, see? I have the box here. The Sesame or Yosemite or Yosami or whatever the hell they want to call themselves. All right. They're not good quality sheets. At $100, it's just not worth it. The Welsher ones are way better. It holds ink better. The printer likes it better. The print quality on it is better. The how ink spreads on is better. It's just a way superior sheet, as far as I'm concerned. Again, totally biased. This is my personal opinion. You can choose. You can say whatever you want. But in my experiences, the Welsher sheets have been top notch. I have never had a problem with them. But actually, I had. But it was with the actual, just the DTF, the cut sheets, the pre-cut sheets. Ever since I started using these rolls, the actual rolls, I haven't had any problems with it. The rolls are been top notch. I hadn't had a problems with them. But I've been trying all these other brands and they've been just failing me left and right. Now this one, as you can see, is 100 bucks. And it's garbage. Not garbage, sorry, it's not garbage. It's just not as good. For $100, it's just not as good. In comparison, it's just bad. Just really bad. But does it work? Yes. It prints pretty decent. It's not atrocious. I don't like the way it peels. You have to let it cool. It's supposed to be a hot peel, but it's not. You have to let it cool for a little bit. And then you can peel it. It doesn't hold ink as good as the Welsher either. I had to turn up the print quality a little higher for the ink to sit a little nicer on it. And yes, right there. Oh, even on the box it says it. Even on the box it just says it. Right here on the box. You have to let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds before you can peel it. All right. On my washer, you don't have to let it. You can just literally just peel it up. If you apply enough pressure to it, you can apply the pressure. As soon as you pick up your thing, you can just rip it off, and it comes right off. The washer is just a way superior sheet than this thing. But if you're looking for a different sheet to use, I can say, yeah, it will work for you. It'll work. But I still recommend the washer over this. That's, again, my personal opinion. You do you. Your choice. I'm not going to tell people what to do. I'm just going to give you information, and then you choose what you want to do with what you got. All right. But for me, I'm not going to spend $100 on this. Not on your life or my life. I don't think it's worth it. I'm still going to buy the washer for $50, and I get superior, and I'm getting a superior product for half the price. It's not even a question. That's a no-brainer. Now, I'm going to keep using it until it's finished, of course. Obviously, I paid for it. But me buying it again, not going to happen. But, as you know, I'm going to be testing a different brand as soon as this one's finished. But I still got washers on the backup, you know, because I can't not buy my washers. All right. But that's the intro on this DTF sheets. And yes, I've been using it, and that's how I bought this. And I've been using it because the other brand I had to get rid of those. It wasn't printing on properly. It was just those blobs of just, when I say blobs, I mean just blobs of my prints weren't even printing, just sections of it, just defects all over the prints, and I had to just stop using that sheet like completely, and I had to buy this, and I had to buy something else. I had a washer sitting in the corner, but I'm like, no, I want to try something different because I'm spoiled, and I want to try something different because I have to give y'all the information. So I just went with this instead. And yeah, I'm still not happy. So I figured since I have to tell you something, I was going to buy something a little bit more expensive just to see if the washer is, you know, inferior to a more expensive product, but that's not the case. Washer is right in that sweet spot of good price, great product. All right, not worth it. I don't know, but me not buying it again. You can buy it if you want to, because it works. It's not horrible. But it's not great either. So choice is yours. All right, peace.